Do you want to earn $3 over and over again with 100% free method, 100% free traffic? Well, if that sounds interesting, then watch this video till the very end because I'm gonna show you just that. And if you're new to my channel, Agrawal Bros, then please watch through the videos that I have on my channel. And if you like these videos, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for instant notifications. You can also follow me on Quora, where I answer your burning questions about how to make money online. You can even follow me on my Facebook group. The link to that Facebook group is on my Quora. So on my Facebook group, I post good content on how you can make money online. I post different strategies, free ebooks, and good training with which you can make good amount of money online. So let's jump over to the actual method of earning $3 over and over again. It's absolutely 100% free. So first thing that I would like you to do is you need to go over to Amazon and you need to create your Amazon affiliate account. It's simple, it's 100% free. There is it's 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 very very simple. So just go over there, and when you have created your account, just go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com/home/bounty/all. So you will come over to this particular page of Amazon Associates. Basically, you have to become an Amazon affiliate for this particular method. Now when you're on this page, to um, scroll down to this try Amazon Prime 30-day free trial. It says it pays $3 for 30-day free trial. So for if you bring a person to if you get a person to sign up for this free 30-day Amazon trial, then you earn $3 for doing just that. Isn't it wonderful? You get $3 for a sign up. That is it. You get $3 for referring a person to the Amazon Prime membership. So other things, see, earn a fixed advertising fee when your visitors sign up for Amazon Prime 30-day free trial. Our membership program offers special benefits including instantly watch thousands of movies and TV episodes, borrow Kindle books, get unlimited free 2-day shipping, no minimum order size. uh, and if you click on the link more button, you'll get to know different things about this program. One of the coolest things about this program is that you earn $3, and even if the person cancels the subscription, you still get to keep those $3. That's very very powerful, and that's very very interesting. So now the question is, how are you gonna promote this particular program? So for that, you need to head over to Instagram. Now I'm going to show you some pages which are generating tons and tons of views, and you can also model the success. So for example, this page, Bolly Sagar. This page is an Indian page on an Indian actress, Rani Mukherjee. So this page has got just 37 posts, and it has got 94.7k followers. Just see how popular this page is with only 37 posts, and it has got 94.7k followers. And then this person has given, the owner of this page has given Bollywood stars ambitious page for Bollywood fans, join this world. And he has given some link of some other account, Bolly C. So you can see engagement is super cool, 66.9k views and only 44 comments. You can see this 25.8k views and 34 comments, 36 comments, 57 comments. So you can see page is based on Rani Mukherjee. The the picture is of Rani Mukherjee, but there are other actresses as well. So this is one example. Another example is this Bolly Magic. It has got 72 posts and it has got 110k followers. Can you imagine that? Only 72 posts and 110k followers. Again, good amount of views, and Some of the posts have got good engagement. So another one is this Bolly C, 49 post and 29.1k followers. If you carefully notice all these channels, you see that they have a bio, and this bio is not utilized properly. So I'm gonna tell you two methods with which you can earn good money. First of all, what you can do is you can, DM these people. They're open for business inquiries, and you can ask your link, ask them to embed your link in the bio, and you are gonna pay certain amount of money for that. You can decide upon the money aspect that, for example, you're gonna pay $10 for a week or $10 for 3 days. So that is something that you need to decide. This is one way, because these posts are getting views, and when say for example the person posted this video, ask him to say that please click the link in bio for watching free movies or for watching movies. So then that person will be directed to the bio, and when the person will click on the link in the bio and sign up on Amazon Prime, you earn a commission. So you can take help of the owner of this page and ask that person owner to uh, place your affiliate link in their bio, and for that you are gonna pay him certain amount of money. But you can generate tons and tons of traffic with this method. The another free method that I was talking about is that you can make a similar page, and then you can write something like, do you want to watch free movies online, please click the link in bio, and you can give your link. And then when a person clicks on that link, he gets taken to Amazon Prime, where when he signs up, you get to earn $3 as commission. So that is one thing. Now, how to grow up an Instagram page like this? For that, you can create a page like this. It's very simple. Then you need to create a business manager account. That is also very simple. Option is given by Instagram. Then what you need is a thing called Repost app. You can go to Play Store and download the Repost app. What this Repost app allows is that with this Repost app you can go to popular channels like this, and then you can click on the post and then copy the link, and with the help of Repost app you can repost the content of these popular apps. And what this Repost app does is it automatically copies and shares the content and gives the credit to the actual owner of this of the content. So it saves you from copyright issues. Other thing which you can also do is you can also go over to this popular platform TikTok, and then you can create your own profile and start sharing viral content. And then you can add a subject, and then you can write in your bio that if you want to see more viral videos, if you want to watch cool movies, then please click the link in the bio. So this is a very very powerful way of earning $3 per day. Think about it. You are not selling them anything, you are just offering people something for free which they already like, or everybody likes to watch movies. So this is a no-brainer. This is very very simple method, and as you can see many people are just driving tons and tons of traffic. So I have given you both the methods, a free way and a paid way with which you can earn good amount of money. So if you like the method, then you can subscribe me on my channel Agrawal Bros. Also you can follow me on Quora, where I answer questions about how to make money online. I am available in English. I am also available in Hindi. So you can see this is my English profile, and this is my uh, Hindi profile. So you can see 25.9 thousand views. So I'm answering good questions. You can ask your questions here, and you can also follow me on my Facebook group. The link to this group is in the description of this video. Also, the link to this group is in the Quora. On this Facebook group, I share strategies with which you can make money online. Now, if you want to make good money online and if you want to learn affiliate marketing, then you can watch my video, Make Money Free Training, or you can just click the first link in the description where it will lead you to affiliate bootcamp training, where you will get free training, absolutely 100% free. In that training video, you will get 15 ways through which you can grow your affiliate marketing business in the next 100 days. It's a no-brainer. It's a very wonderful training video. It will turn you into a super affiliate. So you can join that training for free. The link to that training is in the description. So if you like this video, if this video added some value, then please comment awesome and also subscribe to my channel. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.